This is a cheap black and white TV from the early 2000s, and you might have seen V Westlife's video on this. Now, while he covered his, he had a slightly different version to mine, and that's the problem. As I do not have the composite video version of this, I have to use the AV cables going from my Xbox. They go all the way into this box. It's an RF modulator. It's taking the composite video, broadcasting it as a TV channel over channel 60, and then into the antenna connection, which is why the quality is so low. I'm even just slightly touching this tuning dial, I completely lose my picture. But I want to AV mod mine, because mine is not the version which has been spec'd up with it. Now, I feel that under here there might be AV jacks, or at least a place to solder them. So like, RCA jacks from AliExpress, it's not that deep. This is a mess. So the speaker's hot glued in and soldered directly to the thingy. None of the boards are screwed in. I see an unplug there. And I believe that's the TV antenna as well. So now the entire back half of this is gone. So that's the TV tuning dial. Here are the contrast knobs. That's the battery, that's the DC in. That's the external aerial. That's the flyback. Finding where on this extremely dense board to inject my composite video and audio, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. Finding what this chip is could be useful. It's a CD 515 1CP. Okay, Google. Oh, I found an Instructables guide. Oh, it's an Instructables guide. Pin 5. Apparently there's a big solder blob on pin 5 of that IC. And then just finding out where to inject the audio signal is as simple as, oh, that. There it is. I see it. And I assume the one right next to it is the audio. So I can hook my switch up. Even though UHF signals do not exist anymore. to test the video too. I've got a Sony Handycam here and a Handycam video cable here into this cable. Is the volume knob? So I thought I'd make like an easy way, like a tutorial basically, to show you how you can do this yourself. So this is the bottom of the board. You'll see it says 502-TV1. That's the part of the board you want to be at. Okay. You'll see that the fifth pin has this really long solder. So you want to solder wick that. And you'll have two pins. This one here is the video out from the jungle chip, and this one's the video in, which you can connect your composite video to. If you want, you can connect a switch between these and your video input, or you could just completely ignore this and make yours composite only. Next, for the audio, you're going to find this pin here. This is pin 11, and you're going to cut this trace, right? You're going to cut this trace, and then you're going to connect, this is the audio output from the jungle chip, so if you want to keep your TV tuner, you solder a cable to here, but you connect your audio input to this pad. So that's how you can do this at home. So I now have it downstairs and on. I'm demonstrating that the TV functions of it still work. It can still do analog TV if those services existed in this country. But if I switch to video, if I connect up the composite cables from my Panasonic DVD recorder, see a clear picture. I turn up the sound. That's Back to the Future 2. That's E.T. on UTV.
Elliot feels his feelings. New Tresemme Lamella Shine Range. Forms thin lamella layers that smooth the surface of your hair for a luxurious ultra gloss finish. Children.
That should go loud enough to distort. That should go loud enough to distort the speakers.
All-electric SUV that's designed for the city and built for adventure. The new all-electric Toyota BZ4X. Freedom. Join Nick Knowles.
I mean, look at it.
As he embarks on 3 breathtaking railway journeys.
From the Alps to the Adriatic Sea. Stunning, isn't it? This has to be the most beautiful train journey I've ever done.
Amazing railway journeys with Nick Knowles.
So with my video capture box, conversion box that I found, and I actually connect up my Windows computer to the TV. So if I just plug those in and open up the video control panel, I can go to change resolution for my micro silicon, that is the device, and for some reason this supports up to 4K. I have no clue why, but I'm going to choose the correct resolution for the screen, which is 576p at 50 Hz. To the back here. And I can play Osu on the mini TV. That would be my desktop with a bad V-hold. That position there is as good as it's gonna get. There we go. That's close enough. Let's turn down the background dim a tiny bit. Surprised how clear of an image you can get on this. Thank you for watching my video about turning this little mini TV into a monitor with composite video inputs. I still think it's a pretty nice monitor, even though it is only black and white. So, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more random content like this. Goodbye!